Hi, I'm Dr. Roy. Let me share with you the common cause of a spinal pinched nerve. Common causes are major or minor traumas. Major traumas are accidents, injuries, car wrecks, things like that, falls. Minor traumas are going to be repetitive things over time that weakens the tissue over a longer period of time. As this happens, the vertebrae will twist or move and put pressure on the nerve. Each vertebrae segment has spinal nerves that come out each side. The nerve can be pinched by a couple of different things. One is the disc itself that acts as shock absorbers between the disc or between the vertebrae will come out of its normal position and put pressure on the nerve, and that will cause pain. The second way is the joint complex itself rotating or twisting out of place, causing pressure on that nerve root, will elicit pain. If you experience any type of pain or discomfort from a pinched spinal nerve, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you.